Laura's going to play the role of Bria, our Stratasys mobile technician who uses the FSL mobile app. When she logs in, she sees an entire list of all of her appointments, both within a map view and in a list view. When she scrolls down, she sees that the next appointment is to fix a 3D printer at Dreamforce, without which we can't print 3D Astros. The entire fate of Dreamforce hangs in the balance. So Bria clicks into that work order to get additional details. Immediately, she sees where she needs to go. She sees information about the customer, Lauren Bailey, and she can get in touch with Lauren very easily by clicking a couple of buttons. Scrolling down further, she sees the asset service history, which we discussed was critical for Bria to be able to take the appropriate actions to figure out the holistic picture of what's happening with this machine. She also sees the work plan, which includes all of the steps that are needed to repair and resolve this issue. If she needs any additional information about any of these steps, she can just click into that knowledge article, which will give her additional information. Now, Bria prides herself on providing the best possible service for her customers. And as part of this, the first thing that she wants to do is check to make sure that the asset doesn't need any software upgrades. Stratasys has given Bria the ability to control her engagement with the customer. So Bria clicks on that lightning bolt and clicks the asset upgrade option. This launches directly into that mobile extension that we talked about, pulling data not just from Salesforce, but pulling it from external systems also, and letting Bria know that this machine is eligible for 3 upgrades. Bria selects one of those and launches into the mobile extension that starts retrieving information from the machine. It pulls data from Salesforce. It updates data in external systems, upgrades the software, and lets Bria know that she has fixed the 3D printer, improving accuracy, increasing speeds, and we are ready to print Astros again. Dreamforce has been saved. We can go back. The world is safe again. In addition to this, Stratasys has given each and every mobile worker the ability to walk through step-by-step resolving the issue and capturing data through a debrief wizard. The first step of this wizard is acknowledging that this work order is linked to a CPQ quote. And Bria is given the option to consume all of the parts that were quoted to the customer. Next, she specifies the root cause of this issue, and when she selects that root cause, it dynamically drives fields that are specific to that issue type. This feature allows Bria to accurately, efficiently, and quickly ensure that she is entering the right data and expediting the process. Now that Bria has completed logging all of that information that needs to live within Salesforce, she's even given the option to log information that might need to live in an external system, like expenses. Bria indicates that she rented a car and even attaches a receipt for that rental that is stored against the work order and can be sent to an external system. Next, she statuses the work order to close it out, and is taken to a PDF summary of everything that was done so that she can review this summary with Lauren, the customer, capture signature from Lauren acknowledging that this work was completed satisfactorily. And this PDF can now be stored within the work order and shared with Lauren in a channel of her choosing. But we didn't stop there. Remember those tedious, repetitive tasks that I mentioned earlier? Stratasys has automated the logging of timesheet entries based on all of the information that has been captured in that debrief wizard, so that Bria doesn't have to do double entry and she doesn't need to log into any external systems. It's all taken care of her right here within the FSL mobile application. Great job, Bria. Thanks for saving Dreamforce. What you just saw was how Stratasys is empowering every one of their mobile workers with an app that's easy to use, gives them real-time insights into customer information, and is flexible so that each and every technician can provide that next level of support that the future of field service demands.